Hi friends, this is day 2, Tuesday, so you are going to reread your story, Pop's Bridge, or listen to it by clicking on the speaker here. And then you're going to go and fill out your graphic organizer. It's going to be a Venn diagram, just like the one on this page. It will look just like this. You are going to read your story, and as you're reading, you're going to compare and contrast Robert and Charlie's dad. You're going to tell how they are alike and how they are different. So you're going to read each one of these boxes, and you're going to decide if it goes for Robert's dad, if it's for both, or if it's just for Charlie's dad. Make sure that you keep your book open in one tab and you have your graphic organizer opened in the other. This will be linked in your week at a glance on Tuesday. So just make sure that you are rereading your story and you can fill this graphic organizer out as you are rereading. Have a good day.